Harlung Langso Cooperative Lem Satomain Penning Deng Troxke Brapo Indian Independent Apartment Catalan Pon Lakakre Troxy Soching Denta Constituency Harlung Langso Cooperative Lem Sadlong Secretary Lapena Chairman Lapena Member Tomen Patir P Ponsi Non Kawang Ji Pai Pai Jack Loni Pai Crepe Pomate Indian Troxke Brapo Bharat Satin Kilawani Mate Indian Independent Apartment Pai Pai Jack Loni Pai Craniani Thank you Ronki upon Lapen Cob of India Lapen Cob Sama Atomen kapin khat pon ating si har kha tiranga puasai tami harung langso cooperative lem satomen patir pi ponsi siding pon tang chenglo lapen kewang ji pai pa chek lone pai kre parni tami indian laba measurement kang tho donja pans tami tisik pon lo posi pirang kya thengno harung langso cooperative lem satompen thandon lapen isi harung langso cooperative lem salong apong chuntang lapen chairman member tum don isi card belong thomas council apan tami towar kawe kisung apotak chunengri padopon Lapen kar bienglong arat akari nai Article 244A tami 15 Akautani Pachton Dunra Puthar Government of India Government of Assam along Chinki Chithandun Vedha Puta Harlung Langso Cooperative Lem Sakong Chunbang Dilip Singh Hanse Pen Chuning Ripon Pai Pai Chek Lone Pai Craniarni Indian Independent Apartment Catalan Pon Chengarni Lem Salong Kemler Pet Istavatum Dan Chetong Pon Sonsi Harlung Langso Cooperative Lem Salong Chairman Ram Singh Ti Ngosor Teran Lem Secretary Dilip Singh Hanse Kangbura Be Manai Tok BP Bolorak Inti Beren Inti Dilip Singh Inti Gandhiram Inti FB Sot Pen Charging Tok Be Joy Singh Terang Rayas Be Nising Rong Pia Tum Chetong Donse Sai Mesan and Dengpon Kachirongka Pen Samsun Terang Luti Ki Minis Kar Bienglong